Bala. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank Honourable Clay. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I provide my response to the honourable members of this August House, please allow me to quote from the SDG Summit meeting in September 2019, attended by the heads of state and high-level government representative. Quote, "The 2030 agenda is our promise to the children and youths of today so that they may achieve their full potential and carry the torch of sustainable development to future generations." Unquote. Mr. Speaker, say, the climate change is a complex global problem that is interlinked with many issues, such as economic growth, human rights, and poverty reduction. Mr. Speaker, say, aligned to the international framework and government agenda, Youth for Climate Action, it is proposed to support the 30 million trees in 15 years initiative, Mr. Speaker, say. In addition, Mr. Speaker, say, Youth for Climate Change Action initiative is meant to foster an approach between the ministries and stakeholders, such as Ministry of Forestry, in achieving priority areas through shared resources. Mr. Speaker, said this also in turn aligns to the Fiji's National Development Plan. Mr. Speaker, say, Youth for the Climate Action was officially launched in collaboration with Ministry of Youth, Ministry of Forest, and Ministry of Employment in Sambiatonendi last month. And at this juncture, I would like to thank my colleague Minister for Forest. Mr. Speaker, say all in all, this integrated approach ensures our youth are well versed with where we are going as a nation and as a world when it comes to climate action. Mr. Speaker, say, through this initiative, youths will be introduced to skills in gardening, tree planting, and climate change mitigation, combining training, education, and a premium on youth-centered innovation that will make them better Fijian and global citizens and better equipped to enter the workforce. Mr. Speaker, say, youths will be empowered to become champions of climate change and will be addressing the issues head-on, making healthier decisions for themselves and their communities, while inspiring others to do the same. Mr. Speaker, said this is in line with youth as champions of climate action that has been at the forefront of Fiji's leadership of COP23 and beyond under the Honourable Prime Minister. Mr. Speaker, said every small environment protection action we do today, Mr. Speaker, said, such as planting trees and collecting rubbish, even it is not ours, contributes to our environment sustainability and giving a beautiful and safe future for the generations to come. Life lessons in climate action leads to life-giving and life-reviving actions in ensuring our beautiful yet delicate human and natural ecosystem are preserved for the future generation. This, Mr. Speaker, say, is the vision and ultimate goal for the Youth for Climate Action Initiative intends to promote. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.